Hi, this is Kiran, and I am here to present the presentation of Bring Your Own Device to the Organization, and my student ID is 13682. Well, here comes the overview and the research on the BYOD and its adaptation in organizations like IBM, Cisco, Dell, etc. BYOD advantages and the disadvantages and the solutions for BYOD and the risk factor involved in the BYOD, policies involved in the BYOD, and the recommendations of BYOD. Well, what is meant by BYOD means bring your own device, which is an IT policy where employees are allowed or encouraged to use their personal mobile devices, notebooks, PCs to access the enterprise data and systems. Basically, there are four options of this BYOD. Like first one is like unlimited access for personal devices and access only to non-sensitive systems and data. Access but with IT control over personal devices, apps and stored data. Access but prevent local storage of data on the personal devices. Well, coming to the advantages and disadvantages of BYOD, the advantages are increase the productivity and the innovation, employee satisfaction, the cost saving, and the employee individuality and the in-house access. The disadvantages of BYOD are the data breach, privacy, a lack of consistency in the quality of apps, and the security issues, and the employee termination and the hacking. Employee termination, like when the employees are going to be leaving the organization without intimation, then this may lead to the risk of BYOD. Well, the solutions for BYOD are the legacy system networks are unprepared for BYOD. So what the solutions like make it simple, scalable, secure network are essential for the BYOD to work efficiently. INC user management is used, which protects the intruders from the network from entering into the network, and the unified LAN switch is used, and the Wi-Fi clear connect is used. Well, coming to the policies, the BYO, it is equally important for the company to educate and train the employees on the policies so that the employee understand what is expected and the potential risk factors. The employer's data should be secured and confidential and consider the appropriate access. Employees should clearly monitor and sanctioning for breaches of the policy and the post-termination process. The employee will store any private data in the separate folder and clearly label them as private, and ensure that corporate data is regularly backed up and not leave the device unattended and will be used with a PIN or a password. Analysis, industry equivalent, like the one is an optimistic scenario, most likely case, and the pessimistic case. In this optimistic case, the cost is estimated like $8 million, and the benefit is like $14 million, the IRR is like 57%. Most likely case, the cost is like $9,000 and the benefit is like 22,000 million. The cost is like $9 million and the benefit is like $22 million, and the IRR is like $40 million, 40%. The pessimistic case is like the cost is like $19 million and the benefit is like $22 million, and the IRR is like 80%. Coming to the recommendations, solidify the password policy and make sure that the regular password changes are made, and the required device registration, each and every device brought into the company or need to be registered, and tighten up the network security by using the hardware firewalls like Cisco, and expand infrastructure by depending on powerful wireless instead of dealing with a bottleneck on the network, and redefine the support policy which are needed to specify which platform that the devices support. coming to the conclusions, like the BYOD helps an organization in increasing the productivity of an enterprise. All the devices that are used in organization are said to be registered, so they are aware of security breaches. The company cloud should be created by creating an isolated cloud in order for those users to easily access the file they need to work on outside of the LAN. The network should be audited. Do a full audit on the network so one can be completely aware of every device on the site. Thank you.